Hello everyone and welcome to Changkuoth Nyak YouTube channel. Today's top story. South Sudan has opened a new school to train tax and custom worker. This school is called the South Sudan Institute for Revenue Administration or SIRA. SIRA is built west of Juba along Yei Road. It has new building, classroom, computers, and even places for students and teachers to stay. The school will train people who collect taxes and control goods entering the country. This is very important because South Sudan needs strong workers to manage money the right way. At the opening, even the Minister of Finance, Dr. Marial Dongrin, said, "This school is not just a building, it shows we are serious about fixing our tax system." He also said the school will help the country train honest, skilled, and smart tax workers. Right now, South Sudan mostly depends on oil money, but that is risky. If oil stops, the country faces money problem. That is why SIRA is so important. It will help us collect more tax revenue and not only rely on oil. The students at SIRA will learn how to collect taxes, how to lead and manage, how to follow the law, how to serve the country with honesty. This school is part of a bigger government plan to stop tax cheating, reduce money loss, and build a better financial system in South Sudan. We hope this new institute will bring real change. Thank you for watching. If you like this update, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.